Emochi Review. Is this AI chatbot worth it? So the pros of Emoji. So but first, Emoji is a mobile roleplay chatbot that lets users create, customize, and chat with anime-style AI characters, complete with backstories, visual storytelling, and dynamic personalities. So it has a creative, rich experience, a wide appeal and popularity which is available in OS, Android, and the web. It also has fun anime and manga fans, which means it's perfect for creative writing. It also has a generous free tier, which offers seamlessly integrations with unlimited chat and image generations. And they have a positive user feedback. Although it comes with some cons to consider, they have a buggy performance and instability. There are also some ads and monetization issues. There are also degrading AI behavior. They also have unreliable memory and character consistency, and safety concerns are over content moderations. So, Emoji AI offers a uniquely creative and visual roleplay experience, ideal for anime fans and storytellers who enjoy crafting dynamic characters in immersive settings.